Look at this truck. It's gonna try to get up on it. But when he makes a turn, if it makes it too quick, that truck is gonna tip over. Look at this, how much it's leaning to the one side. Ain't that crazy? There ain't no broken shock either, I can tell you that much. Either product, he already made a quick turn and the product's on that wall, or he's got a broken frame mount, or I mean, it's not straightening out at all, so I'm gonna go with he's got a broken frame mount, or the product's on a wall. I mean, he makes a sharp turn, that thing's gonna tip. That's crazy. See how bad it is now? You can really see now. It's this, it's on a slant. Oh, he's gonna turn too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's gonna end up tipping that truck. Hopefully I'll get it on film. I don't want to see no one hurt though. You shouldn't be driving that truck. Not like that.